Greetings to all the readers and eaters out there, and welcome back to another iteration of Cooking with JaNay. I'm JaNay Brown-Wood, author and educator, and the author of the Where in the Garden series, illustrated by Samara Hardy and published by Peachtree Publishing. So far in the series, we have Amara's Farm, and now Miguel's Community Garden, which will be actually making the tasty and healthy recipe that's featured in the back of this book. It's a sunflower seed salad. So join us for a little bit of eating, a little bit of reading, and a whole lot of fun. Once again, I have my two chef extraordinaires.
Hi, I'm Vivian.
Hi, I'm Malik.
It looks like you guys got everything just about set up. Tell me what we have here.
We have all sorts of vegetables. We have cucumbers, mushrooms, bell peppers, spinach, and romaine lettuce.
What about on this side? What do we have here?
Lemon or lime juice, olive oil, and sunflower seeds.
Ooh, I love sunflower seeds. All right, so what are we gonna do next?
Well, since we have a lot of vegetables here, we're gonna have to wash them first.
Yeah, fruits and vegetables can have dirt and stuff on it, and we don't want to eat that.
So we're at the sink. How should we wash them?
It's best to use warm water when you wash fruits and vegetables. Then you just put them in the warm water and then rinse them.
Rinsing it really good. All right, I think they're good to go.
Yep, now I just pat them dry with the towel.
Very nice. All right, so we've washed them and we pat them dry. What do we do now?
We start with the lettuce.
What do we do with the lettuce?
We tear them into pieces and the stems have got to go.
Very nice. Add it to our bowl. Should we taste a piece of romaine?
Yes.
Go for it. Crunchy.
Like a healthy chip.
All right, so we've got our romaine and it's broken into bite-sized pieces. What's our next step?
Well, on to the bell peppers.
Chop, chop, chop.
What next?
Put them in the bowl.
All right,
And you cut the cucumbers.
dump them in.
There you go, cucumbers. Have a nice day.
Look at all the colors.
Not done yet. We still need to put the spinach in.
Oh, here it is. Share together, working hard.
Add the mushrooms.
So we added the mushrooms. What are we gonna do now?
Let's get to tossing.
There we go, mix it up. Very nice. Look at that teamwork.
Now to add the finishing touches. Lemon juice.
Drizzle it on top.
And olive oil.
Drizzle it on top. Is that everything?
Nope.
Nope.
What's left?
The seeds.
Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds.
Mix it up. Oh yeah, that looks good.
So good. Fresh, colorful, and healthy. You guys want to try it?
Yeah!
Well, it's such a beautiful day. Why don't we take it outside and have a picnic?
Yeah!
Let's have a snack and a
story.
story.
Yay!
Sound good?
Yeah!
Let's go. You guys eat, I'll read.
Cool.
Miguel's Community Garden. A sunflower is tall. It has yellow petals and a round center with many seeds. Its leaves are smooth with pointy tips, and they are large and stick out. It also grows from the ground in the bright sun, and it stands on a single thick stem with its bright flower on the very top. Let's help Miguel find his sunflowers. How about we finish reading this after we eat up all our snack? Sound good?
Yeah!
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today for another Cooking with JaNay. I hope you'll pick up a copy of Miguel's Community Garden for your book collection and try out the tasty and healthy sunflower seed salad. So that way, you can be a reader and an eater too. See you next time.